Somebody had asked me, how did I come up and make this shirt? So I'm going to turn it around and show you guys on another fabric that I'm cutting. But I explained to them that this fabric, and I have a speech impediment, so I can't say scratch. But this doesn't have any scratch in it. So you're going to have to go off your actual measurements in order to be able to fit this fabric. And I got it off of Amazon. I did 2 yards to make a large top. So this is how I did it. This fabric is spandex. So if you see, this is the pattern piece that I have right here, guys. So I take this pattern piece, right? So you see this one is the back is on the fold. So how I come up with this piece, I take my same pattern piece. You see that? The only difference is I'm working with one hand. Give me a second. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm working with one hand trying to make this video. So if you see, I just curve it. I just put it there and I just curve it. And when I cut the tie at the same time. And this fabric is spandex. So you still go off your measurements. But what I'm trying to tell you, like if your chest is 39 inches and if this fabric right here doesn't have any spandex, and if you don't cut it directly to fit right, you're not going to be able to fit it because it's not going to expand like this fabric, if you can see. So I hope that that makes sense for you, but that's how I wind up getting it. I cut it all at once. I don't cut it different times, all right? Hope it helps.